Slime mold survives the coldest night on record, at least for this year. And I will show you a mile of agricultural runoff that is just full of slime mold, the Protiste growth of this incredible organism that is resistant to almost anything except fire. Here it's everywhere in the drainage ditch, in an area close to where I live. I won't say it exactly, but I'll show you a mile of the drainage ditch. This is agricultural runoff, and this survived some of the coldest days on record in February 2025. I recorded it down to minus 20 Fahrenheit several nights, and also it's reported in the newspaper minus 8 centigrade. So these ditches froze, and there you can see some of the ice is still present, but the slime mold loves it. It's frozen here but loves it. Okay, here's what slime mold is under the microscope. It's a living organism, the sixth kingdom. Don't be misled by its beauty. It can be very dangerous. These are the amoebic phase that can produce disease if it gets in the water. Medical toxicology, Gary J. Ordog, MD.